Hello, my friends, and welcome to Cleaning with us in sunny Florida. Today we are at a family home where two underage boys and their mother live. The boys are age of 17 and 6 years old, and the mother is around 40. They need our help. Me and my mom came here to clean for free. And the journey here took about 4 hours. And we drove here last night, starting to clean first thing in the morning. It was a long ride, but it was worth it because this family needs our help. Their dad left and they've been alone as a family. The mom has been depressed for a long time and cleaning is hard for her, obviously. But this is a push for something better because they want to live in a clean home, of course. After all, no one wants to live in too much dirt and clutter and trashes. So yeah, sometimes bad things happen in life, and because of that, cleaning can be difficult sometimes, and it's normal. But it doesn't mean you are doomed to live in a dirty home forever. You can ask for help from relatives, friends, or me. I clean homes around the world for free, and I'm happy to help. I really love dirty homes though. But I mean, I believe people aren't meant to survive alone. We need help from others, and asking for help is okay. For some, like me, cleaning is really wonderful, relaxing, therapeutic, and easy. I say that cleaning is a hobby for me, so I really do it happily. Actually, I love it. I think this is their living room. It's full of toys. Yeah, you saw them there. They didn't mind to show their faces on video, which was wonderful. So yeah, they were with us almost all the time, saw everything we did, and we talked a lot, which was really nice. And we had just a great time. They also had a lot of lovely cats, as you can see. The cats tried to help us all the time. They were there all the time. So they had these carpet floors, so I had to vacuum them. We would have needed a carpet cleaner to wash the floors, but unfortunately we didn't have it, or we didn't have time to do it. But I'm sure if the family wants to continue this cleaning, they can wash their carpets as well. I also often don't want to bring my own vacuum cleaner or carpet cleaner to these apartments because bugs can easily get inside them and then they might spread to other homes. So no. But guys, do you love dusting? Because I do. Look at that dust layer. It's beautiful! I was having so much fun. And this door, it's greasy and sticky, but not for long, because now it's white again. Titty! Then I bought these beautiful plants here. Yes, they are gorgeous. And now the home is done and the family can come home. Woohoo! Another free cleaning done. See you next time. Bye!